Are you struggling to find the right project management tool for your team? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of selecting the perfect project management tool for your needs. First, it's important to understand your team's requirements. What are the specific features and functionalities that you need? Make a list of must-have features and prioritize them based on your team's needs. This will help you narrow down your options and focus on tools that meet your requirements. Next, consider the size and complexity of your projects. Are you working on small, simple projects or large, complex ones? Different tools are designed for different project sizes and complexities. Make sure to choose a tool that can handle the scale of your projects. Another important factor to consider is the ease of use. You want a tool that is intuitive and user-friendly so that your team can quickly adapt to it. Look for tools with a clean and simple interface, and consider doing a trial or demo to see how easy it is to navigate and use the tool. Integration capabilities are also crucial. Your project management tool should be able to integrate with other tools and software that your team uses. This will streamline your workflow and ensure that all your project data is in one place. Look for tools that offer integrations with popular software like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Office. Project management tools can vary widely in price, so it's important to consider your budget. Some tools offer free plans with limited features, while others have monthly or annual subscription fees. Make sure to choose a tool that fits within your budget and provides good value for money. By considering these factors and following the steps we've outlined, you'll be able to find the perfect project management tool for your team. So let's get started and find the tool that will help you stay organized, collaborate effectively, and achieve your project goals. Next, consider the size and complexity of your projects. Are you managing small, simple projects or large, complex ones? Some project management tools are better suited for small teams and simple projects, while others are designed for larger teams and more complex projects. Choose a tool that can handle the size and complexity of your projects. Another important factor to consider is collaboration. How important is collaboration for your team? Do you need a tool that allows for real-time collaboration, file sharing, and communication? Look for project management tools that have built-in collaboration features or integrate well with other collaboration tools that your team is already using. Integration is another key consideration. Does the project management tool integrate with other tools that your team uses on a daily basis? For example, if your team uses a specific CRM or accounting software, it's important to choose a project management tool that can integrate with those tools. This will streamline your workflow and make it easier to manage your projects. Finally, don't forget about cost. Project management tools can vary widely in price, so it's important to consider your budget. Look for tools that offer a good balance between features and cost. Remember, the most expensive tool isn't always the best one for your team. By considering these factors and doing your research, you'll be able to select the best project management tool for your team. Remember to involve your team in the decision-making process and get their input. After all, they'll be the ones using the tool on a daily basis. So, take your time, evaluate your options, and choose a project management tool that will help your team stay organized, collaborate effectively, and achieve their goals. Good luck!